Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be sharing with you guys 2 DIYs. This is for the month of May Look for Less challenge. This is an open invite hosted by Yami, the Latina next door. And for this month's co-host is Linda by Faith Chick 777. I am going to leave both our information down in the description box as well as the playlist for this open invite. For my first DIY, I will be doing this wreath. This is my inspiration. It is from Kirklands and it is $49.99 and 24 inches long. Mine cost me less than $5 to make and it is a little bit smaller, 15 inches, but it still came out beautiful. For this DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree toy, this beautiful ribbon, 1 paint stick, and 3 boxwood picks, and this paint. I'm going to start off by cutting the toy. I'm only using this top part of the toy and I'm cutting it with some scissors. It is pretty easy since this is plastic. The only reason I'm using the paint is because I had previously painted this to use in some other DIY which I did not end up using, so that's why. I will start with 2 picks first. I'm going to remove the stems and then cut them in half. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to start gluing it to this ring. And I will be gluing them one on each side using the hot glue. For the last pick, I'm going to remove the stems as well and then cut them into 3s. Then once I am done cutting them, I'm going to start gluing them all around the wreath. And this is how it looks. I wanted the stick to match the ribbon, so to do that I will be mixing these 2 colors and then I'm going to paint the stick. This paint stick is 10 inches. My dear friend, where have you been? I will be transferring the word welcome. I use the app Pick Collage to print this out and the font name is King Basil. To transfer the word, I will be scribbling the back with this white crayon, then put it on top of the stick and start tracing it. To paint this, I will be going over it with this white marker. This is a paint marker I got from Dollar Tree. If you don't have these, you can use a small paintbrush and white acrylic paint.
My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long.
Next, I'm going to glue it to the back of the wreath.
I've been listening.
To make this double bow, I will be cutting 3 pieces of this ribbon the same size. Then I'm going to glue 2 of them like in a circle.
We can't keep floating. We have to fall.
Going to scrunch them and put them all together. Then with a piece of long string, I'm going to tie them. I did make the piece of string long enough to where I can wrap it around several times and there's still gonna be some left over. That is because I am not gluing the bow to the wreath. I'm going to tie it instead. I added another piece of ribbon that I folded in half, and like that it covers the string. Now I'm going to tie it to the back. And that is it for this DIY. This cost me less than $5 to make because I had the paint and the stick.
Caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge.
My second DIY is also inspired by Kirklands. Is this window pane wall plaque, which is $109.99. Just a window. Mine cost me under $5 to make. I will be using 2 packs of the paint sticks, and I got these from Lowe's. 3 come in a pack. And I'm also using some popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree. I'm only using 8 of them. And to paint it, I will be using the antique wax. The first thing I will be doing is cutting the handle part out of 5 of them with my saw. For the 6th paint stick, I'm going to make 2 pieces of 8 inches. I want to show you that you can save $1 if you don't want to use the popsicle sticks. You can use the leftover pieces of handles that were cut off from the paint sticks and use those instead. I will be using hot glue and wood glue, but first I'm going to flip all of them to the back and then glue them with the wood glue. Then I'm going to use hot glue to glue the popsicle sticks.
It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. What's getting harder to ignore? Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is twisted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. Growing out of love. Growing out of
I left it drying for an hour and then I came back to paint this, and I'm using the antique wax. The measurement of this window, it is 17 inches high and 20 inches wide.
when we are growing out of love. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is twisted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing.
For the handle, I am recycling a piece of belt, and I will be using 1 popsicle stick. I'm going to cut 2 small pieces. Then I'm going to paint them with the black acrylic paint, and then I'm going to glue them to the window. And that is it for my second DIY. Both of these pieces are two separate things, but I think together they look really nice. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye.